Hey guys, my name is Chelsea, and today we're just going to be setting up two integrals of finding the volume of a solid. So, this is our region right here. I drew it for us beforehand. Y equals x cubed plus 2 is the top one, x equals 2, and y equals 2. Now we're going to be using the shell method for both of these. So the first one is the region about x equals 2. So let's draw that really fast. So we have this guy. Oh, we have this guy like this, right? And it's going to be drawn around like that. There's a little line, x equals 2. And an easy way to do this one is just to do the shell method. So we have it like that, right? We have a height and a radius. So our radius in this case, since our y-axis is right here, our x-axis is like this, it's going to be our distance, minus x, what we have. How far we've gone away from the y-axis. So we have an integral, right? Shell method. So 2 pi, and we know that it is, we'll go over the bounds in a minute. Now, we just discovered our radius, right? So 2 minus x. So all these like cylinder, or, sorry, all of these, we know the area is 2 pi r h. That's why we keep setting up our equations this way, 2 pi r and h. We're integrating the area to find volume. That's why we're using this equation. So our h, right there. An easy way to do this one is to do just the top. This is going to be this thing, right? But there's this extra amount that we have to account for. And the top highest we're going to go is 2, right? Or, sorry, that's wrong. Sorry. Okay. So we're trying to find the height. And an easy way to do that is to do our x cubed plus 2, but then we have to minus 2 because this distance is 2. Sorry for the miscommunication. So an easy way to write that is x cubed plus 2, right? That's the equation. Minus 2, the distance that we're not using, dx. So it's all on x, right? And x we know is 0 to 2. Easy, right? Now our next one, for part B, let's draw it right here. So, what are we doing this round? X equals -3. So, let's make x equals -3 right here. So we have this thing, right? And now it's copied over here. Another good shell method. Another reason why shell method will be good here is because we just have that x cubed, and it's really hard, when we change it into y's, there's going to be some square roots, or cubed roots, I mean, so that's just going to be a little tougher to work with. So, we have, right here, we have height, and we have radius. It could be like this, right? So, our height, once again, is going to be the same thing, right? So 2 pi. And we're still in terms of x's, right? Because a good way to see that is wherever your height, whatever axis it crosses, we're going to do it in those terms. That's an easy way to remember it. It's never going to fail you. So, it's going to be 0 to 2 again. For the same reason as last time. The height, the radius is going to be something we don't know yet. And then the height is going to be the same thing as last time. Okay, so, radius. This one's a little tougher. So So we're going to have any distance x here, right? Then we're going to have 3 here. So a good way to think of this is not like -3 or +3 on the x, like anything like that. We're just looking at mathematically. This distance right here is 3. And this distance right here is the x. So an easiest way to do that is 3 plus x. And ta-da! We set up our 2 intervals. These ones are pretty easy. They're just polynomials. If you multiply them out, this is just going to be an x cubed. Thank you. Have a nice day.